Now let's do example 3. Example 3. So let f of x equal 5 over x. So we're going to use a fraction this time. And let's calculate f prime of x, using of course the definition of the limits. Again, we always start by calculating f of x plus h. Now remember, what does f do? It takes an input, it divides 5 by the input. So wherever we see x, we plug in x plus h. So this is just equal 5 over x plus h. And now let's calculate f prime of x. Now we know by definition this is equal limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x, everything over h, which is equal limit as h approaches 0. F of x plus h is 5 over x plus h. We just did it right here. Minus f of x, it just happens to be 5 over x. That's given. Now we need to subtract two fractions. So this is how we're gonna do it. This is equal limit as h approaches 0. Everything is over the h. Now x plus h and x, the least common denominator is x times x plus h. Now same thing, x times x plus h, that's the least common denominator. So all we gotta do, since we multiply the denominator either by x, so we need to multiply the top by x. Same thing on the other fraction, since we multiply x by x plus h, so we need to multiply 5 by x plus h. Now this is equal to limit as h approaches 0. Everything is over h. Now since we have the same denominator, so we can just subtract. So this is equal to 5x minus 5 times x plus h. Everything over x times x plus h, which is equal to limits as h approaches 0. Everything is over the h. Now we're going to distribute a negative 5. So this is equal 5x minus 5x minus 5h. Everything over x times x plus h, which is equal limit as h approaches 0. This is the same thing as h over 1. So dividing by fractions means, and of course we need to simplify 5x minus 5x. So this is same thing as saying minus 5h over x times x plus h divided by h over 1, which means a limit of negative 5h over x times x plus h times, division means multiply by the inverse, h over 1 becomes 1 over h. Now as h approaches 0, if we simplify this h with this h, this is going to be equal limit as h approaches 0 of minus 5 over x times x plus h. Now we can replace the h by 0. It's going to give us negative 5 over x times x plus 0, which is equal to negative 5 over x. X plus 0 is x times x is x squared. So it's equal to negative 5 over x squared. And that's about it for this example.